Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The XMQ laptop computer enters the market as a significant contender for those seeking a large format portable device that bridges the gap between a standard office workstation and an entry-level gaming machine. At its core, this device is built around a 17-inch display, which is a size that immediately sets it apart from the more common 13 and 15-inch models that dominate the current landscape. This laptop is marketed as a 2026 edition, suggesting a focus on modern software compatibility and updated internal components designed to handle the evolving demands of the Windows 11 operating system. By offering a screen of this magnitude, the manufacturer is clearly targeting users who prioritize visual real estate, whether that be for sprawling spreadsheets, side-by-side document editing, or immersive media consumption. When examining the build and design of the XMQ laptop, the physical presence of the 17-inch full high-definition LED screen is the defining characteristic. This large panel offers a resolution that provides clear and sharp imagery, which is essential for reducing eye strain during long working hours or extended gaming sessions. The chassis is designed to accommodate this larger screen while maintaining a profile that remains manageable for transport within a backpack or briefcase designed for large format computers. One of the more visually striking elements of the design is the colorful backlit keyboard. This is not merely an aesthetic choice. It serves a functional purpose by allowing users to type accurately in low-light environments, such as a darkened room or during a late-night flight. The keyboard layout typically benefits from the wider frame of a 17-inch laptop, often allowing for a full numeric keypad, which is a significant advantage for data entry and productivity tasks. Furthermore, the inclusion of a privacy care feature indicates a thoughtful approach to modern security concerns. This often manifests as a physical shutter for the webcam or a dedicated hardware toggle, ensuring that the user has absolute control over their visual privacy without needing to rely solely on software-based security measures. The performance of the XMQ laptop is driven by an Intel Core i5 processor that utilizes a 4-core and 8-thread architecture. This specific processor operates with a base frequency that manages power efficiency during light tasks but can boost up to 3.8 GHz when the workload increases. This turbo capability is crucial for handling sudden bursts of activity, such as launching complex applications or processing large files. Accompanying the processor is the Iris Plus G7 integrated graphics system. While this is not a dedicated graphics card like those found in high-end gaming rigs, the G7 variant is known for being one of the more capable integrated solutions. It features a turbo frequency of 1050 MHz, which provides enough graphical headroom for casual gaming, photo editing, and high-definition video playback. The decision to include 16 GB of random access memory is a significant benefit for the user. In a modern computing environment, 8 GB is often considered the bare minimum, so doubling that capacity allows for much smoother multitasking. It means a user can have dozens of browser tabs open while simultaneously running office software and communication tools without experiencing the system slowdowns associated with memory bottlenecks. Storage is another area where this laptop offers a balanced approach. It comes equipped with a 512 GB solid-state drive. Solid-state technology is far superior to traditional hard drives in terms of speed, allowing the computer to boot up in seconds and applications to load almost instantly. For those who find 512 GB to be insufficient for their long-term storage needs, the device supports a 1 TB expansion via a TF card slot. This provides a cost-effective and easy way to add a massive amount of extra space for archives, photo libraries, or video collections without needing to open the chassis or use external USB drives. Connectivity is also modernized with the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 technology. This standard is designed to handle crowded network environments more efficiently than previous generations, offering faster speeds and lower latency, which is particularly important for streaming high-quality video or participating in video conferences where a stable connection is paramount. The power management of the device is centered around a 10,000 mAh battery. In the world of laptops, battery capacity is always a trade-off with weight and size. A 10,000 mAh battery is quite large, and it is necessary to power the substantial 17-inch LED screen. While actual battery life will vary significantly based on screen brightness and the intensity of the tasks being performed, having a high-capacity cell provides a better foundation for cord-free use throughout the day. The laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, which is the professional version of the operating system. This version includes additional features geared towards security and management that are not found in the standard Home Edition, making it a more viable option for business users or students who need to connect to specific school or office networks. When considering who this laptop is best suited for, it is important to look past the gaming label. While it can certainly handle casual titles and older games with ease, its true strength lies in its utility as a desktop replacement for general productivity. It is an ideal choice for students who need a large screen for research and writing but still want the flexibility of a laptop. It is also well suited for home office workers who may not have the space for a dedicated monitor and docking station but require more screen real estate than a standard laptop provides. The 16 GB of memory make it a strong candidate for anyone who finds themselves constantly juggling multiple applications. It is also a great fit for older users or individuals who prefer larger text and icons, as the 17-inch display allows for scaling that maintains clarity without feeling cramped. However, it is not intended for professional video editors or competitive gamers who require the highest possible frame rates in modern AAA titles. Instead, it serves the broad middle ground of users who want a reliable, large-screen machine for everyday tasks, media consumption, and moderate creative work. The pricing of the XNQ laptop is a key part of its overall value proposition. At the time of writing, the device is available for approximately $640. When compared to other 17-inch laptops on the market, this price point is quite competitive, especially considering the inclusion of 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB solid-state drive. Often, laptops in this price range might sacrifice memory or storage capacity, or they might utilize a smaller 13-inch screen. By focusing on these specific areas, the XNQ provides a clear alternative for buyers who have a specific set of priorities. It offers a lot of tangible hardware for the investment, making it a practical choice for those who are budget-conscious but unwilling to compromise on screen size or multitasking capability. In a balanced closing thought, the XNQ laptop represents a specialized niche in the mobile computing market. It does not try to be the thinnest or the most powerful machine in existence, but rather focuses on providing a large, comfortable workspace and a solid foundation of memory and storage for a reasonable price. The combination of a 17-inch display, a Core i5 processor, and 16 GB of RAM creates a user experience that is smooth and efficient for the vast majority of common computing tasks. While the gaming branding might lead some to expect high-end graphical performance, the reality is that this is a high-quality general-purpose laptop that can handle some light gaming on the side. For the right user, specifically one who values screen size and multitasking over portability and raw gaming power, it offers a compelling package at roughly $640. It is a straightforward, functional device that delivers on its promises of a large screen experience and modern connectivity, making it a trustworthy option for a wide range of everyday users. By sticking to a neutral design and focusing on essential specs like Wi-Fi 6 and a high-capacity battery, it manages to feel contemporary and capable in a very crowded market. It is a testament to how far entry-level and mid-range laptops have come, offering features that were once reserved for much more expensive machines. For anyone looking for a large-screen laptop that handles the basics with room to spare, this model warrants serious consideration as a versatile and dependable tool for work, study, and play. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping!